Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comments and subscribe. I am your girl Tanisha, and today we're going to do a little bit of cooking. So today I'm going to be cooking some curry fish with some white rice. So please stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead now and get the fish scale. As you can see, so this is the type of fish I'm working with. So this is the fish after I finish scale it and clean it. So right now I'm going to season up I'm going to get my fish seasoned. A close up on the fish. So guys, now I'm going to go ahead and season up my fish. I'm going to use a mixture of all-purpose seasoning, a little Maggi, and a little easy spice. You don't need a lot of seasoning, just a little. The fish don't normally want a lot of seasoning when you're cooking fish. I'm going to go ahead and add the curry to the pot. I'm going to go ahead and add some seasoning. Fish.